Comets, Stars, the Moon, and Mars by Douglas Florian. Skywatch. On a clear night you might try to gaze upon the starry sky. A telescope or binoculars are great aids to observe a star. To find your way, it's good to sight upon a star that's very bright, like Sirius or Canopus, Alpha Centauri, or Arcturus. You may see a planet or a flash of light from a meteor. Use a constellation chart to help you tell the stars apart. Start out when the day is done. Most of all, have lots of fun. The universe. The universe is every place, including all the empty space. It's every star and galaxy, all objects of astronomy, geography, zoology, each cat and dog and bumblebee, all persons throughout history, including you, including me. A galaxy. A galaxy has stars galore, 1,000,000 billion, even more. Some galaxies are round, some flat. Some form spirals, some seem fat. Some are egg-shaped, some have bars. All have stars and stars and stars. The solar system. Each planet orbits around the sun, a somewhat circular path. To calculate the time it takes requires lots of math. Astronomers know the planets well, each mountain, ring, and moon, but none has ever gone to one, nor will go to one soon. The sun. 93 million miles from Earth, nearly 1,000,000 miles in girth, 4.6 billion years old, core 8 times as dense as gold. Here and there a dark sunspot, and did you know the sun is hot? Mercury. Speedy, nimble, quick and fast, round the sun it rushes past, always racing on the run. You'd run too, so near the sun. Venus. Scalding hot surface, 900 degrees. Nothing can live there, no creatures, no trees. Poisonous clouds of acid above. Why was it named for the goddess of love? The earth. 2/3 water, 1/3 land. Valleys deep, mountains grand. Sky of blue, clouds of gray. Life here too, think I'll stay. The moon. A new moon isn't really new. It's merely somewhat dark to view. A crescent moon may seem to smile gladly back after a while. A half moon is half dark, half light. At sunset, look due south to sight. A full moon is a sight to see, circular in geometry. After full, the moon will wane, night by night, then start again. Mars. Mars is red, and Mars is rusty, sandy, rocky, very dusty. Mars has ice caps, once had streams. Mars has Martians in your dreams. The minor planets. Sometimes known as asteroids, sometimes called the planetoids. They always help to fill the void between Jupiter and Mars. Named for sweethearts, daughters, sons, some are small as breakfast buns, others larger, weighing tons, but none as grand as stars. Jupiter. Jupiter's jumbo, gigantic, immense, so wide, side to side, but gaseous, not dense. With some 16 moons, it's plainly prolific. It's super duper Jupiterific. Saturn. Saturn's rings turn round Saturn. Its moons turn round it too. Saturn by turns turns round the sun, Saturning through and through. Uranus. Counting up planets, Uranus is 7, named for the Greek god Uranus of heaven. Gaseous like Neptune, but slightly more wide. Heaven knows how it got knocked on its side. Neptune. Named for the Roman god of deep sea, so far out in space that it's quite hard to see. Its rings were discovered by Voyager 2. Neptune is frigid and freezing and blue. Pluto. Pluto was a planet, but now it doesn't pass. Pluto was a planet, they say it's lacking mass. Pluto was a planet, Pluto was admired. Pluto was a planet, till one day it got fired. The comet. Ice, rock, dirt, metal, and gas. Around the sun a comet may pass. A dirty snowball of space debris, the biggest snowball that you'll ever see. The constellations. Leo is a lion, Lepus is a hare, Cancer is a crab, Ursa Major is a bear, Lupus is a wolf, Cetus is a whale, Taurus is a bull, from his horns down to his tail, Pisces is 2 fish, Musca is a fly, and Cygnus is a swan in the zoo up in the sky. The black hole. Nothing's black as a black hole, not black ink or lumps of coal. Some are small and some quite wide. Gravity pulls all things inside, like a giant cosmic broom. Wish I had one in my room. The great beyond. If you flew past Pluto, there's more that you'd see. A planetoid, Sedna, found 2003, and objects in orbit known as planetismals, sometimes so small they're measured in decimals. Great galaxies spin while bright comets race, and I tell you more, but I've run out of space.